step-by-step plan for creating a series of graphs. When clicking on the Graphs in Time button, you go to an overview of all crops. Step 1. Select one or more of the companies/locations/cultivation from which you want to compose a graph. Step 2. You can mark the kind of analysis, for example plant sap combined with a plant part, such as leaf, young or fruits. It's also possible to combine plant sap and water samples in one graph. Step 3. By naming and saving the graph series, you can view the graph later without having to recreate them. Determine the timeline for which you want to make a graph by entering the start date and end date. Step 4. By naming and saving a series of graphs, you can view the graphs later without having to recreate them. Pay attention. If you want to view the graphs at a later time, you must enter the new date, then press Save. Step 5. With formatting graphs, you can make adjustments that influence the design of the charts. This way, the thickness of the line, the type of marking, the style and the color can be determined. It's recommended that young leaf, old leaf and irrigation water of one variant be given the same color. This gives a better overview in the graphs. And then save again. Step 6. When clicking on Generate button, the graphs are loaded. This may take a few seconds, depending on the speed of the internet connection. Step 7. If the default start and end date are not correct, they can still be changed by then clicking the Generate button again. The change is reflected in the graphs. Step 8. Once the graphs has been loaded, it's possible to export the graphs to a PDF file. The PDF file can be saved on your own computer. When you click on the Export All Graphs button, the PDF file is compiled. Pay attention. To make clear graphs, it's important that the samples that belong together get every time the same name. Pre-printed labels are the best tool for this. Ask about it with your next order.